Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. If you are not subscribed, I hope you will enjoy this video enough to subscribe to my channel. I like to do different things on this channel: hauls, crafting, unboxings, and that is what I have for you today. An unboxing by Javy coffee. Javy coffee was started when a couple guys found a huge problem with the coffee industry. They said instant coffee lacked the same robust flavor and profile that premium brewed coffee had, which is true. I have drank instant coffee for years and it doesn't taste anything like brewed coffee. I agree with that. Instant coffee couldn't fulfill the instant need for iced coffee or any type of cold coffee beverage. That is so true. I like Starbucks, but it's a really strong, to me, the coffee taste is. If you get a caramel macchiato, you know, any of those, it's a real strong taste, and which is good if you put enough of the other stuff in it, right? So this way you can do all that at home, which is gonna save you a whole lot of money. So if you get a grande caramel macchiato, what are you paying? Like $8, $9 for it? So with this, you're going to get 30 servings and you can do your own caramel and milk at home, your own caramel and soy milk, coconut milk, you know, whatever milk you use in your drinks, oatmeal milk, you know, whatever kind of milk you use. Because some people are lactose intolerant. Some people do not like the fat in the milk. This is how Javy came to, you know, this is the process mix, our flagship project. Microdose is very complex. To get such a refined liquid coffee concentrate requires a lot of science and art. At the core, Javy strives to ethically source its coffee beans from organic farms with direct trade relationships while also infusing the most pure water possible. That's great to me because I only drink a bottled water. Through dedicated and passionate craftsmanship, Javy remains at the forefront of coffee innovation. Here is the product. Nicely packaged. That is a glass bottle, and I will be going ahead and sanitizing this. You just never know. So I like to sanitize anything that I am going to be eating, drinking. Their beans are sourced from Central America and Colombia. I have a glass of ice here. And so this says you're going to get 30 servings out of this. There's 80 milligrams of caffeine per serving. Keep refrigerated after opening and use within 6 weeks of opening. So you probably should date that and use within 6 weeks. I don't think this will last 6 weeks. So you're going to use 6 to 8 ounces of water or milk. Oh, so see, all right, I'm going to try this with water. 6 to 8 ounces. This is almost 17 ounces of water. And then mine is mocha, and they have original, French vanilla, caramel, original decaf, and then this mocha, which is what I ordered. I'm going to give that a good shake up. So it says 1 to 2 teaspoons. So I'm going to go with 1 first because I don't like mine real strong. And I can tell you right now, this is going to need some milk. Okay, straw. Well, definitely be careful not to get it on your hands or anything, because it's didn't want to come off of there. All right, I'm I'll give this a little taste test. All right, so that definitely needs another teaspoon. Not bad. Let me go get some milk. I got some milk. Let's try. I'm going to add some milk to this. This is whole vitamin D milk. And then I have some Hershey's chocolate syrup. Now it is good without any of this. So I just want to doctor it up a little bit, see how we taste from here. Because I love a creamy coffee. All right, let's try this. Needs a little bit more milk, a little more chocolate. Oh my goodness, that's delicious. That is so delicious. That is so good. Now it is good just by itself, and so when you add all these different things to it, oh, this is so delicious. Tastes like a coffee chocolate milk. So good. Really good. I didn't even use that much chocolate. That is good. That is really good. I really like that. I want to try the caramel next, because when I go to Starbucks, that's what I get is iced caramel macchiato. And so if I'm paying $10 for that, you know, for a grande, this is $21.95 right now on sale. And then you can get a discount by using my code for 20% off. So that's going to take $4.38 off. So right now it is $21.95. If you use my code and get 20% off, that's going to get you a bottle of this for $17.57. And you can also subscribe and save 32%. Now I don't know if that's on top of the 20% discount code. I'm not sure. But if you order 3 bottles, you can save money even if you do not subscribe. So you could order the French vanilla, caramel, and the mocha and save some money. I think it was, I want to say $50 some. Don't quote me on that, but I think it was $50 some. But definitely, if you love iced coffee, you know, try this. 30 serving, or this says 35 servings. I'm wrong. 35 servings. That is 1 teaspoon though. 1 teaspoon is so that's a serving. There's 5 calories in here per serving, which is 1 teaspoon. 0 fat, 0 sodium. The total carbohydrates is 1 per serving. This says 0 sugar, 0 added sugars. It's got 11 milligrams of calcium, no iron, and 55 milligrams of potassium. Well, you know, you got some potassium from coffee. Oh, maybe it's from the mocha. I'm not sure. But so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll give this coffee a try. I wouldn't tell you it was delicious if it wasn't. That is part of the thing. If we try it, we don't like it, we don't say. The longer that sits and gets colder, the better it is. All right, I hope you guys will give this coffee a try, and if not, you know, that's up to you. I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having a good time and enjoying a nice cup of coffee. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.